In today's video, I will walk you through how to move image bring front and back in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheet and go to the top menu. Click on Insert, then select Drawing from the drop-down menu. When the drawing window opens, click the image icon at the top of the toolbar. Upload an image from your computer and insert it into the drawing area. The image will appear on the canvas. Next, click the image icon again and upload a second image in the same way. Now, both images will be visible inside the drawing canvas. If one image overlaps the other, the most recently added image will appear on top automatically. You can adjust their positions by clicking and dragging each image around the canvas. To change the layering order, right-click on the image that is currently on top. A menu will appear. Hover over or select Order from the options. If you want that image to move behind the other one, click Send to Back. The selected image will move behind, and the other image will appear in front immediately. If you want to reverse it, right-click on the image that is now behind. Go back to Order again, then click Bring to Front. The image will move to the top layer and appear over the other image. You can repeat this process for any image in the drawing to control which one appears in front or back. Each time, just right-click the image, open the Order menu, and choose the position you want. After arranging your images, you can adjust their placement by clicking and dragging them to refine the layout. You can also resize each image by selecting it and dragging the corners to fit your design. Once everything is positioned correctly, go to the top right corner of the drawing window and click Save and Close. This will apply your changes and insert the arranged images into your Google Sheet. Your images will now appear in the spreadsheet exactly as arranged in the drawing tool, including the layering order you set. That is how you move images forward and backward in Google Sheets using the drawing tool. Thank you for watching the video.